The implementation of ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Assessment is a common way for teachers use to collect the information or make a judgment about learners' knowledge, and it is essential part in educational system, particularly in teaching learning process. There has been a shift from traditional assessment toward online assessment due to many factors which adjust these changes. Changes in the way of assessment in educational system from traditional to online mode are one of innovation way of adjusting to the development of this current era or Industrial Revolution 4.0 is Internet of Things. Second, online assessment is suitable way to assess students due to the generation of this day is Generation Z. Third, the integration of online assessment as demanded by government due to the application of K-13 which requires technology in teaching learning process. Minimize cheating, save time and practice, reduce paper use. Teacher will save time for correction the paper because the score is automatically displayed by using e-testing of ExamView by UDERS 2016. Similarly, teachers have positive response toward the implementation of training, mentoring, and evaluation in using ExamView in the vocational school of Nusa Penida by Santaya Diputra 2019. From this phenomenon, the implementation of technology for online assessment needs further investigation. The focus of the study is choosing ExamView platform as the implementation for online assessment due to the use of ExamView is mostly in higher education and vocational school. Therefore, this current research aims to explore on the implementation of using ExamView platform for formative assessment in MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Research question. First, how does the teacher implement ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo? Second, what are the English teachers' barriers to implement ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo? Third, how is the students' attitude toward the use of ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo? Objective of the study. First, to describe the implementation of ExamView in ELT classroom for formative assessment in MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Second, to explore the barriers of the implementation of ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Third, to explore students' attitude toward the use of ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Scope and limitation of the study. Scope. The scope of the study is the implementation of ExamView platform, teachers' barriers to implement ExamView platform, and students' attitude toward ExamView platform for formative assessment in ELT classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Second, the limitation of the study is the researcher takes only one class of grade 8 as the sample and takes one English teacher of MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Significance of the study. First, theoretically, the outcome of the study is how to develop assessment technique using online assessment, particularly in using ExamView platform. Second, for teachers, this research is intended as reference for English teachers use modern method of assessing students using e-assessment. Third, for the student, the result of this study will be very useful for students because they will experience ExamView platform and it is being introduced as an assessment platform in English language. Defining key term. First, implementation. Second, barrier. Third, attitude. Fourth, assessment. 5, online assessment. 6, formative assessment. And the third, ExamView. Literature review. First, assessment. A. Definition of assessment. B. Type of assessment. C. Function of assessment. Second, online assessment. A. Definition of online assessment. B. Benefits of online assessment. C. Challenge of online assessment. D. Principle of online assessment. E. Online assessment in ELT. Third, ExamView. A. Definition of ExamView. B. Features of ExamView. C. Creating bank question of ExamView. D. Creating a test from a bank question. Review related literature. First, the effectiveness of management bank question using ExamView in SMK Negeri 1 Nusa Penida by Santaya Diputra 2019. Second, test generator using ExamView software by UDERS 2016. Third, teachers online assessment in English Language Education Department at UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya by Maria 2018. Fourth, students' challenges in working on online assessment using block in computer-assisted language learning or CALL, a case study at English Language Education Department in UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya by Kadisatur 2019. Methodology. Alder and Clark claim that descriptive qualitative is design intended to describe groups, activities, or events which focus on structures, attitudes, or behavior. In addition, the researcher designed this research using qualitative study to answer the research question of the study. Data and source of data. First, the implementation of ExamView platform for formative assessment in LD classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Second, teachers' barrier toward the implementation of ExamView platform for formative assessment in LD classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Third, students' attitude toward the use of ExamView platform for formative assessment in LD classroom at MTSN 1 Sidoarjo. Source of data. First, one English teacher. Second, 35 students of a grade of MTS and 10. Data collection technique. First, research question using observation, interview, and questionnaire, and data analysis for first research question using triangulation. Second, research question using interview and using thematic analysis. And the third question using questionnaire and the data analysis using this formula. Thank you.